Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert USDT to fiat currency on MEXC. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC mobile application and then log into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, make sure that you create one right now because currently MEXC is giving you 8,000 plus of sign up bonuses. So I will also put the link of it down in the description so that you could get this bonus. Now, once you are in your MEXC account, simply tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner, and over here you will see the overview tab. So if you have USDT in your spot wallet and now you want to convert it into the fiat wallet, simply tap on the fiat option and then tap on the transfer option. Then your transfer option will look something like this, where in the top you would have spot option and in the to section you will have fiat option. So you need to keep it as it is. Here in the currency, if any other currencies is selected, you need to simply select USDT from this list, and then you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to convert to fiat. After that, you need to simply tap on the transfer option, and then in your fiat currency you will be able to avail USDT. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.